Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to check RAM on Windows 10. So let's begin the video. You can check RAM of your Windows in your system settings. Click the Start menu and go to the settings. Now select System, then scroll down a bit and click on About. Under Device Specifications, you will find Installed RAM. This shows how much memory is currently installed on your PC. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.